Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, today in this video we are starting a new component of Firebase, that is real-time database. So in this video we are going to insert a record in real-time database, that is a component or NoSQL database under the Firebase. So this particular application will be divided into 4 videos. In first video I will explain you how you can connect your application with Firebase and with real-time database, and then how you can insert the record. Then later on I will explain in next video how you can retrieve the data, then how you can delete and update your information. So in this video we are going to learn how we can insert the record and how we can make a connectivity of our application with Firebase component called real-time database. It is a NoSQL database. So here we have designed a layout. In this we have a student name, course name, branch name and total marks. Any information you can design just as an example. Now for making a connection I have to go to the Firebase assistant. This Firebase assistant will help me to connect with the Firebase. So we are going upside. We have a real-time database like this. Now I'm using Kotlin. Then I will click on this Kotlin, and here we have to click on the connect to Firebase. It will launch the browser and you will log in with your Google account. So I am using with my Google account. You see it is asking for connecting with the project. If you do not have any project, then click on add project, but if you have already project, then you can click on that project, and now it will make a connection. Click on this connect, and now here you can open the Firebase console. Open this, go to console, again select the project, and we go to here real time. In this real time database, I have already created a database, but if you have not created any database, then it will ask for creating a new one. So I'm deleting all this information. So I have created database, but if you do not created any database, it will ask to create, and you create the test database. You can create your test database, and you can create a new database also. Click here new database, you can create new one also. So this is the option, and this is the database which is automatically comes under this database. This option, this collection I will use to insert my information. So that's all here. Now we go to the coding part. Here we have to add the SDK also. Click on this and accept the things. Now the new library comes, it's called BoM Library. So we can go there and we can insert this here, and the advantage of this BoM library is that you can remove the version of your library. So I just tell you, copy this and go to the Gradle file, and here in Gradle file we can just paste this one BoM library, and in place of this KTX20 just we remove the version. So because if you add this BoM library, no need to add the version, and synchronize this. Done. We can remove this now. So this thing has been done. Now we have to go down. Here I just copy this code and I go to this one. Now I minimize this and I go here and I create the object of Firebase database, real-time database. Import the library, import this one also, and here in place of message I am writing here student, like this. So this has been created. Now this is the function that I am using as a dialog box to display my information. So I have explained in my previous video how you can create alert dialog box just as an example to display information in place of toast, because toast is used to display small information, but the large amount of information can be displayed by this. So here I am just using now the binding dot btn. We have a add button dot set on click listener on click listener. Here we will insert a record. So now I am checking if the value which is available in binding txt student name dot text dot is empty. If it is not empty, and we just copy this one again like this, and we check in place of a student, we check it is course, then again we paste and we check branch, and again we check the mask. If all these are not empty, then we start the information, and else we display information that please insert information toast like this. Now if the information is not empty, then we can create a data class that I have created already. This data class having only 4 fields, those are required to insert. The same field which we have here in the layout, in this designing, we have in this layout we have the 4 field. So these 4 field I have created a data class, and this data class we are going to use name, course, branch and mask. So that we are going to create here. So how we can create? First of all, we create an object of these value, like we have the as name, student name. So we say binding dot student name dot to string, like this. Now second value we have course name, like this, and I remove this course name to string. I just copy this again. Now we should use branch as branch equal to, then I say txt branch, one more, marks as marks, then I take their marks like this. Now I have to create a data class, so I say data, and I can say student data equal to student info, and here I have to pass as name, as course, and we have as branch, we have as marks like this, and that we have to convert into integer like this. Now I will insert the information in real-time database. That reference is my ref dot, we have child. Child means we want to display information of a student first. Under the information of this, I want to insert my record, so I said set value, and here I am passing the student data. Then I want to check whether the record has been inserted or not, so add success. Here I will check is inserted or not, and then add failure. If not inserted, then I will check it here, it is inserted or not, like this. Now I have to check whether the record has been inserted. So what I will do, if record is inserted, then I will clean the information in the text box. So I say like this, I remove this one, and I will say clear. I will clear the information, that means record has been inserted. So we clear the text fields. Like this. Now I will display toast, so I just copy the toast, and I say that information inserted. I say record inserted like this, and I say if the failure is come, then I say record not inserted. So if successfully inserted, then we say record inserted, otherwise I say record not inserted. So one part is done, insertion is done. Now I should run the program. Now I insert the record, like I record my name Vipin, and I write here course like I say PhD, branch is CS, and then I say total mass 999, anything 99, whatever you want to give out of 100, and I say insert, and you say record inserted, and this text box has been clear. And if I see this information, you will see the insert information is already there in student. I have the name Vipin, and I have the information that is required. You see, if once more I insert, then we will get another record also. So I say Sachin Teotia, and I say means MTech, I say CS, and I say mass again 90. So then I say insert, record inserted, and again if I see the new one record, another record has been inserted. So like this we can insert the record in real-time database that is free without any payment, and we can use this at runtime in our application if required. So that's all in this video. In next video we will learn how we can read the information that is available on real time. Thank you for watching my video.